Hello garden friends, happy Tuesday. So today I have this small little planter here that I found at Daiso. And in the front it says Live You Horse, and that is Happy Life in French. And down below it says, why don't you enjoy having a beautiful life surrounded by flowers? Isn't that sweet? So I thought it would be perfect to fill up with succulents, of course. So let's get started. I'm gonna fill this little pot with succulent soil, and this pot actually came with a drainage hole, which I love. I love when I don't have to, do it myself. And it looks like it's ceramic, so I'll be careful with the watering. I'll water it until I know the soil is completely dry. And I'll show you the plants that I have. I have a beautiful, this is an Echeveria cubic frost. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. So it's like a frosty pink color. And it's got a beautiful, unique shape. You see how those leaves are shaped? They're nice and wide and they kind of grow upward. Echeveria cubic frost. They can get super, super pink if exposed to enough sun. I have little twins here. This is a Echeveria Lilacina, and they're like just growing together. Right there, as you can see, there's two stems and one root ball. So beautiful. Echeveria Lilacinas are just gorgeous succulent plants. They look like roses to me. Just like a Lola looks like a rose. I mean, just so beautiful. And this one can use some water. It's seen better days, definitely. You see how the leaves are kind of like wrinkly? Well, that's a sign that they need some water. I've been torturing them a bit. This tiny one, so they're all pretty small. This is a Setiveria Blue Elf. So beautiful. It hasn't been exposed to much sun, so it's still green and not as blue as it should be. Setiveria Blue Elf. I have an Echeveria Atlantis. Super pretty. Very small. I just love them. One of my favorite Echeverias. Echeveria Atlantis. I have 3 Crassula ivory towers, nice and chubby. I always like to have them in my garden, to add some height to my succulent arrangements. Crassula ivory tower, and look at this one. This one is an Echeveria Violet Queen, and they remind me of lotus flowers because they kind of grow the way a lotus would, kind of with all their petals growing up like that, or leaves. Oh, so beautiful, and it's nice and pink, kind of pale still. They can turn a lot more pink and purple. I just love them. Echeveria Violet Queen. So let me get started. And I think I'll get started with the ivory towers, and I'll put them on this side. Not sure if I'm going to be able to fit all of them, but I will try my best. And the Lilacina, since they're the bigger ones, I will put them on this side so they won't take up that much space in the front. Just like that. And I'll add a little more soil to this pot. There we go. Okay, perfect. And I think I'll add, there's this little hole right here. I think that the Violet Queen will look really cute right in that little gap there. Beautiful. Oh, so cute. So cute. And the Setiveria Blue Elf I'll put right over here. And I know I'm starting to cover that little Crassula ivory towers there, but it's okay. I'll kind of try to adjust them. Okay, just like that. It's gonna be okay. Not a super big deal. And let's see. Oh, look at that. So I'll do the cubic frost right here. Right there. Perfect. Ooh, so pretty. Nice and pink, right? It's a happy little pot. And last but not least, I'll put the Echeveria Atlantis right in here. Just like that. Oh, and it just fits perfectly. So I kind of pulled it off where I fit all of them very nicely. And this one's really bothering me because it's kind of like, there we go. I'll kind of lift it up just like that. And I'll lift the Violet Queen as well. Come on, work with me. And I'll push the cubic frost a little down here. Adjust the Atlantis. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. I just wanted that little Crassula ivory tower to stand up a bit, not be like drowning in there right under that Satyveria blue elf. Isn't that just adorable? Oh, I really like it. So I'll grab a few little small stones here and I'll lift that Satyveria leaf up and I'll tuck some little stones in. Oh, cute. Oh, it's just perfect. I love it when it works out. Because it's more challenging for me to make the smaller arrangements, honestly. Because there's not enough space. And I want to put, you know, as many as I can in there. And I'll go around on this side and tuck in a little bit more in here. Right behind the ivory towers. Oh, and that worked out just so beautiful. So nice. Now blow some of that soil away and I'll bring it up a bit so you can see it a little closer. Check that cubic frost out. That is so pretty. I love it. Oh, and that Lilacina. So beautiful, right? And it'll become a lot bigger once I water it because it's a little dry. Oh, and that little Violet Queen, it'll grow nice and tall, so I'm not too worried about it. Oh, isn't that cute? Hope you enjoyed this tiny little planter. And until next time, bye. And until next time, guys. I'll see you. Bye, garden friends.